In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Scrappy Arc Raiders. If you've been wanting to change up Scrappy's look, but aren't sure where to find the right menu, this walkthrough will make it simple and clear. Start by making sure you're in Speranza, the main hub where all the essential menus are available. This is the safe place between runs where you can access your character, gear, and appearance options without the pressure of active gameplay. Once you're in Speranza, look toward the top of your screen for the Raiders tab. It's your gateway to everything related to your Raider and their setup. Click that Raiders tab to open the broader management view. Inside this area, find and select the customization option. This is where the visual side of your Raider comes together. Think of it as your wardrobe and style station all in one. From here, you'll see different categories that group the appearance settings for various units and companions. At the top, locate the tab labeled Scrappy. Click it, and you'll land on the dedicated Scrappy customization screen. This page will display all the available skins for Scrappy in a single place, making it easy to browse everything without jumping through multiple menus. Each skin will show whether it's already unlocked or currently locked. If a skin is locked, you can buy it directly from this screen. The game will show you the cost and prompt you to confirm the purchase before anything changes, so you won't spend anything by accident. Prices and availability can vary, and you'll typically use in-game currency or resources to complete the purchase. Once a skin is unlocked, it will appear as available in your list for future use. If you're unsure which ones you already own, look for clear visual indicators. Unlocked items usually stand out with an available or owned status. A couple of quick notes to help you navigate confidently. The customization area doesn't affect gameplay performance, so you can choose purely based on style and theme. If the interface looks slightly different after an update, the layout may have moved, but the flow remains the same. Speranza, Raiders tab, customization, then the Scrappy tab at the top. Take a moment to explore what's on offer. Having all skins in one view makes it easy to spot your favorites. And that's all you need to customize Scrappy and Arc Raiders. From Speranza to the Scrappy tab, everything is right where you need it, with locked skins available to buy on the spot. Enjoy giving Scrappy a fresh new look.